little mini vlog. We brought the work truck out. We're here at First Choice Auto Detail Supplies, but I get some stuff for the shop. So we are having a new thing going on. Every time you order something carbon fiber, we do polish it just to give you guys that little bit of extra shine.
I'm about to pop it though. Look at that energy. You see it? I'm gonna get swooped up, hit the gym. Me and Matt gonna get big.
We're getting big, but yeah, we're here.
Turbos on.
Full detail supply shop. What are we getting, bro?
So we're gonna get some compound going on, so we can start polishing all our hoods that we do at Southbay.
Oh yeah. So every new purchase of carbon parts, we do polish it for the one time for y'all. Give you guys that extra bit of.
We're gonna start polishing for you guys.
Start polishing.
So right now we're gonna get a buffer. We're gonna get probably some good compound like right here. They don't got my recommendation for compound.
Yeah, they got a bunch of stuff.
They got a different type of quality things.
Yeah, we wanted to try this spot because we know there's Adams Polish, the chemical guys, but support your local areas. This place looks legit. I mean, they got a whole lot of stuff. They even have like a bunch of options for. So we went with a 5-inch polisher.
Is this one over here? Look, come check it out. I believe it's one of these two right here.
One of those, because since we work on body work, kind of. Obviously, trunks and hoods, they kind of like have those little curves, so
hard spots to get.
So we need like somewhat of a smaller thing, so we get into like those little cracks, because we get like those big, like 6 inches.
And these are pads.
Yeah, these are pads right here.
We got the bundle. Check it out. The 5-inch bundle. It's pretty solid.
5 inch.
You got
5 inch.
5 steps right here.
5 steps. 1, 2, 3.
All different type of pads you can use.
There you go. So yeah, we didn't want to go with a 6-inch because that covers too much ground. If you want to get to those little crevices, we can't really get to those, but this is the one we got right here.
Thank you so much for shooting. Welcome.
Oh yeah. Sponsored by, no, I'm just kidding. Max Shine, all for detailing.
Okay. Have a good one. Take care.
Bag secured, package secured. You feel me? Shout out First Choice Auto Detail Supplies. Came in clutch. But yeah.
At AVQ50 OnlyFans.
Stand still? I'll put it right there. Pero. What we got doing?
Another $1.
So we have this hood here. Is this a red sport, bro? Red sport, clean build. From this whole clearance rack, he got this. What style is this hood, bro?
It's a J-style.
We got the J-style hood, 2 vents on each side, fully functional if you take off those covers underneath. But slapping it on this bad boy right here, bro finally put the trigger on this one. So let's get to it. Again, if you're in LA, El Monte area, or just LA County, hoods, we have a bunch of wings, we have grills, and a whole bunch of other stuff, trunk trims, fenders potentially, all for a good price, discounted price, a little bit of scratches, shipping, damages, fitment issues, but worth your buck is carbon. So he got lucky with a hood, maybe your neck, so come pull up, come see about us.
Don't sleep.
What do you say?
Don't sleep.
Don't sleep. Q50. Changing out the mirror caps.
Yeah, mirror caps coming out. We're going regular carbon.
Honeycomb, switching out to regular carbons over there. Let me see. There you
Going
go.
back to these right here.
Which one would you? Which? No tabs. Which one would you guys choose? Regular carbon or honeycomb?
Make a choice.
Make a choice.
Like that.
That easy, huh? That easy? It's that easy. These are not glue-ons. They directly replace them. So take out the stock ones, put those ones back on. Hood's coming off. There you go. OEM hood's off. Now time to slap on this bad boy. Water break. So we got Jay drilling the hinges.
Drilling it real hard. Oh, the battery's dead, bro.
We gotta drill the hinges a little bit bigger so we have more room to play with the carbon hood.
I'm drilling it.
Yeah, this car's done. Carbon caps are on with our little M-style little fin right here. compared to these ones, which is on the red sport. It's just straight carbon without the little fin. Just like that. Hood's on. No adjustments, huh?
First try.
First try, one and done.
Wipe it down a little.
Little wipe down, but you like it, bro?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Crazy. J style hood?
Yeah,
J style hood.
That's my style right
What's
there.
on like S style?
Yeah, it's a J. Pretty much same shit.
Yep. But hella clean. First bit of carbon from South Bay. Same thing with this Q50. He put triggers on some mirror caps.
M caps.
Look, this easy.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Yes, sir.
So ours compared to stock ones from the red sport, they don't have that little slit right here, so we give it a little bit more aggressive look. This with the carbon caps, hella clean. Probably some rear end stuff in the future. I mean, he does already have the OEM wing, which reminds me, if you do get a wing and you have this wing, you can't put it on because we have to take this off, and there's drill holes from this OEM one. You're better off getting a full carbon trunk from us and make your car even way more aggressive from the rear. Quick little wipe down before we send her off. It just shines. That carbon shines just.
You know who did it? You know who did it?
Who did?
Jay did it.
Damn, just J fool? Not you? So yeah. So you work here, fool? So yeah, double carbon over here. Crazy. Oh shit. There's a master right here. Took this bumper out of this one right here. We're gonna try to re-clear everything so they're nice and shiny for the showroom.
Little buff.
Little buff.
A little polish, a little one-step polish, nothing major. Just to make sure you get it right for the customer. Get that clear coat of the pop.
There's Matt. Matt the shooter.
Matt the shooter right there.
Media guy.
Media guy or tech guy.
That's Angel.
That's a pitudo guy from Southbay.
And this
Es
Jay.
el puto de South Bay.
You see him? Strapped up.
Oh shit.
Sí, polish that nose.
Nah, but check it out.
I know, it was a rule in the TV.
This is Tortuga.
Yeah.
So bumper's all good, polished, all shiny. Jay finna hit us with the hood
Bring back
next.
to live carbon.
You see that little fogginess? None of that.
None of that. We don't like none of that.
No.
We don't like none of that.
So this is our GTR?
Yeah, this is GTR.
A GTR style hood.
This one, I think this one's Q50, I want to say. Just little stuff here and there.
Hell yeah. So it has these little vents from like the GTR. The compound.
This is a little bit of a fiberglass polisher.
There you go.
It's a little compound, a little
Chemical
buff.
guys.
You like that?
Oh yeah.
You like that?
Daddy.
Lay it down.
It's like me in your face.
Oh shit, put that in the blood. Look, 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot. Ow, what you doing, cameraman? What you doing? Get in there. Still got a spot right there.
Oh, you missed a spot. Where is it?
There's
Right.
residue from the tape.
Right there. Gone right now.
Just like that.
It's like that Gonzo. Hell yeah, A1 polisher right here.
Just a little one step. This ain't nothing major.
Nothing major.
Just a little one.
But yeah. You are getting this treatment every time you come to South Bay. Q60. We're doing fenders. Taking off the bolts right now. Another regular day at South Bay. Name is Matt. This is Jay.
You know me.
We got Papi Angel. These defenders. He went with regular carbon ones. Look at all those vents, all the airflow. What V's are these?
Let's see. 2, 3?
V3s.
V3.
We got V3 fenders.
Yeah, V3.
Gonna look good with this Grey Q60.
You gotta stay hydrated, bro. It's just cold.
Check the fenders, check the fenders. Yeah. Working on that one.
Chill there, buddy. Look, so we got all EM parts in the car, yeah? All the clips.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Light bracket, that little clip. All of that from the OEM fender. Put that on. So bumpers off on this one. Trying to prep it for the install. Taking this one off next. So yeah, this is gonna look clean after the fenders are on, because it has that whole black theme for it. So little carbon and dark gray. It's gonna look real slick. First fender going on. Coming on. Hopefully.
Let me get my side in. It's always that fitment, bro. We're trying to get that fitment on point.
So trying to adjust this area right here.
You're done, bro.
Other side's pretty much good, right?
Nah, we still need to adjust that one too.
Oh, it's
It's sticking out.
a little
but not
corner,
much.
little adjustments, but everything's basically on the car. Just a slight tweaking. Good nut and bolt.
Let him go.
Nut and bolt.
Let him go.
So that, put the fender liner, connect back the
Side
rocker panel. Should be all good to go
Yeah,
on.
we should be good.
Should be Gucci. No iPhone? No iPhone?
iPhone, check it out, check it out there.
Damn.
Sheesh.
They don't show what's on the phone, huh?
Bother, bro.
Fitment's all on point right here.
See this?
We got it going on. He putting back the rocker panel. Other side's good?
Yep.
Let me check that out. Caesar, opinions on the fenders?
Beautiful.
The man with no face. Fitment on point. Good spacing. So yeah, just putting the bumper back on, slapping all the bolts in, putting all the rain guards, covers up top, and so we're trying to convince our customer right here to get a hood. We're trying to show him how our GTS hood looks like. Right now we just put it on top, so bolts aren't even on, but just to give you guys a general idea how it looks. So hood's gonna come on. So we're taking off the hinges. What else, fool? The middle latch. Jay's over here drilling the hinges bigger, so we have more room to play with. But yeah, hood's right here, installing all the hardware. Slap that thing on, and she'll be all good to go.
Oh yeah. It's fucking acting stupid.
Why?
It was like being stubborn. That shit was going sideways.
Fucking bitch.
Fucking.
Alright, right here. Put it down, put it down, put it down. Slam that shit, one.
Oh, overlapping.
This way. Alright, there.